What's this? A disc. Very flat too, look, extraordinary. What's it do? It's got a pattern on the back, and so it's got that on one side, and it's got this on the other side, something, quite exciting. But it's got something much cleverer than that, because it will disassemble. Let me just show how I start pushing it out, what I mean. I've got to push here, and push, and out comes, I'll show it the red side, an arrow. Looks like that. And with a slit in it, notice the slit, very important. That. So that's one. And from the other side, and there's the ghost of it left. It's been left out. It's now blank. You push the other side. Boom. So you've got two now. I've got two to put together, and they're going to slot. If you look carefully, you'll see that they're slotted in different places. Actually, let's see if I can show that to camera. And what we do is we put one inside the other like that, and it slits all the way down and forms a perfect arrow, three-dimensional arrow. And then here in the middle is a tiny little crossover there inside the very middle. It's hard to see. See if I can start to push it out a bit using something sharp. Oh no, it's coming out anyway. I think what's going to go in there is this thing here. So let's start pushing it in. Oh, there we are. There we are. I started to push it through. Can you see? And I keep pushing, and there it is. It made so quickly and so simply, and it works jolly well. I mean, really well. Let's try it on this mirror I've got here, which is a curved concave mirror, and it spins. I'll sit a bit faster now, actually. It's got that crossover to the top, which is very nice because it helps you to get a grip to it, so you'll be able to twist it quickly. That's better. And it's well balanced too. That's the other point. It's got a nice balance to it, which is beautiful, I think. Do one more. There we are. That's it. That's a better one. No noise or whistles. Never mind that. That'll come later on. And all came from that little disc. Extraordinary. And here's its friend too, which I made the other day. Same idea, same thing. This very, very nicely made bit of plastic, a toy that's so simple because it starts off with a little disc and makes an actual working top. They're brilliant, aren't they? This is all from still the 2004 case. Another one which I haven't got the outside that it came from, but this is what it makes eventually. If I can get this in place, which stays here, I'll take this off to start with. It makes a little charming panda bear, is it, or koala bear? It's a koala bear, actually. There we are, with a baby on the back. And this bit here with the thing is where you're supposed to put a little magnet in there, which is what I'll now do, and then you can have a bit of fun. So I've got a little set of two balls which are magnetically joined, put them apart, put one down there for a minute. And we place the other one exactly in between those two little things, so it sits there like that. So now what you do is you put it on a mirror. I'll put it on a large mirror, I think, because it's more fun. Put it on a large mirror like that. I'll get the ball so that it's in the correct position. Here we are. Oh, he's pushed out. Come on, my friend. Push back in again. Not flip out. Here we go. Let's bring it up very, very slowly. Slowly. There we are. And now I can make him move around and go for a little wide. I think he should turn a bit more than that. No. Come on, fellas. He's facing me. Now he's facing... Oh, you know, that's better. And for a small child, you can make it go round and round in circles. There we are. Round and round the table. Very, very sweet little action thing, which you add just by putting two little magnets on it. And that presses out again from a little disc originally. That's all it was, a little plastic disc. It makes a charming little toy that any child can have fun with. So these are really quite remarkable inventions, isn't it? All made from discs. There's one final thing to show you from this case, which is something I wanted for a long time. I've heard about and read about them in pages. It's a ballpoint pen, which you twist like that. It boom, turn it, and there we are, it retracts. This end is more interesting though, because it's got a little display unit. I'll set it to 0. And it's a ballpoint pen, so that clips into your pocket. And the point is, it's a pedometer. It's a pedometer. So if I go shake, 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 you'll see immediately it's gone up to 6. Oh my goodness me, that means I've done the 6 shakes. In each shake, you work out how far you're stepping as you're walking along, and when you've finished that, you do 0 it by pressing that. I'll see if I can do that done in focus again. Oops, get it. Shake, 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 shake. I've done a few steps, and then when I press here, it goes to 8s, and then it's reset to 0s. So wonderful idea this. You took it in your pocket here, in the breast pocket. You go for a walk, and every now and then when you want to make a note of something, you take it out and scribble something and put it back there, and it shows tick, 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 and listen to the ticking. It's a little vertical pendulum with a spring weight, so it makes a little touch and advances it by 1 for each step you take. So a perfect working pedometer, and also a pink ballpoint pen. Pedometer, do you think?